All right. I'm excited. This should be a good one. Let's go. Coffee.
Yeah.
Good morning. We would like some coffee.
I want a double shot.
Please.
Thank you.
Yum. Oh my gosh, so good. So I talked to this guy named Marty on the phone. So nice. He bought a house in Everett after he got divorced, met a lady named Veronica, and he fell in love, and now he wants to move to be a little closer to Veronica, so now he's selling his house. It is only 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. He told me he wanted to sell it for
$440. Okay.
and was not getting any movement. It's got a lot of the issues that, you know, older homes have, like
Yes.
very limited storage space, limited living space.
That's a first-time home buyer area. He might be overpriced.
Knock me down, then pick me up, cause I found my dreams in a paper cup. Got a head full of money and a pocket full of sand. I made it through and I hope you're glad. Where's the bus in the little old town? Seaside girl who's city bound.
Is this the house? This is it.
Only one in a million gonna learn to climb.
I love the little lime green.
Oh, it's really cute. So cute. Did you make it?
I did.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, wow. This is great.
The great room.
Okay,
Yes.
we're calling it the great room.
Yes.
Great. We're very big on staging. And in here, having appropriate size furniture so that somebody comes in and feels that great room.
Yeah.
Especially when we're just under 900 square foot.
Would you like to see the best part of the house?
Oh, I'm ready.
Okay.
Oh, now, okay.
Right.
So this may be a little of what the issue is.
It's tiny.
Like this. I mean, it's just, we're so tight.
Yeah.
How many things did you lose back in this? I mean, what
A
is
number
this?
of different things, including the cat. Yeah. Just
I
doesn't
mean,
function
I think
well.
that maybe 4 to 7 feet here that we could capture. When you're under 1,000 square foot, you have got to give the buyer functionality in every single space. This would be a major part of the concern would be to redo this entire kitchen. It's everything in a house this size.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So here's some additional space opportunities.
Oh, wow. This is great space. I love that it's finished almost.
Yeah.
This is a second garage because we already have another garage detached.
Correct.
Okay, what did you guys ever use this space for?
Washer and dryer, a little bit of storage area,
The square footage right now is being recorded as 850.
and this is an additional 350.
Okay, a few minor changes, and we could add 350 square foot to this home.
Yeah, let's see the backyard.
All right.
After you all.
Thank you.
Follow behind.
Oh, this is great.
Yeah.
Oh,
Very
my goodness.
private.
Yep.
I love it, the charm and the emotion. Those are the two things that I would really want to play up.
Yeah.
I've got lots of ideas here, and I'm super excited about this project.
I think this house absolutely could sell in the current condition.
Yeah.
Exactly like it is. I don't think it can sell for the price that Marty wants. He could probably sell it for about $420 maybe right now, and that's not gonna cover his costs of selling. I think the concerns that you guys had are, I mean, right up there with the same ones that we would have, which would,
I would
be
agree.
the kitchen and bath.
Yeah.
And then maybe the usability of that attached garage. There's definitely a thin line between when's the right time to put money in to raise the price and when's the right time to just sell in the condition that it is. Maybe we'll look at some other houses that we feel can be comparable to this one with a few changes.
Sounds great. Look forward to the next steps.
Awesome. Well, we'll be in contact within the next day or two because I know time is of the essence.
Okay.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Hi guys. Today we're meeting meeting Marty and Veronica at a comparable property to show them why we think it's so important to invest in some improvements to really maximize the dollar on their property.
We just felt like this was a really good comparable. Great front yard, 1-car garage, great exterior, just like your home. It is 3-bedroom, 1 bath, so just a little bit larger. Come on in.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah. With your house being vacant and unstaged, it's really hard for buyers to imagine where furniture goes, how to use a space. So what we'll do in your living room is give it that curl up with a cup of coffee and a book type of feel. A cozy couch, light colored curtains, and a rug, which will make the sunlight on your gorgeous wood floors pop. A boho style and Southwest colors will really attract young buyers.
We got the bathroom over
Okay.
here.
I want to see you both in there. It's a little larger than...
We just shoved our clients into
No,
a
I didn't
bathroom.
shove. I gently nudged. Having 1 bath, it's just important to make sure that we make it as bright and light as we can.
You can see how the white also makes it look bigger.
Absolutely.
Since we can't make your bathroom larger, we want to modernize the floor tile and add new fixtures and brighten up the space so that it feels bigger.
They do have a nice little dining area. That's that extra square footage.
Yep.
And then our kitchen over here.
I love the tile. It's a lot bigger.
I think we can make your kitchen feel more spacious by rethinking the space. If we relocate some of the appliances, we're going to create more workspace and give it a more open feel.
A few hundred square feet make it seem like a whole lot bigger.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah, I agree. I think that's something to think about with your home. It might make more sense to expand living space and really give that luxury of that option.
So I think what we can do is take your attached garage and storage area and create some kind of additional living space so we can offer potential buyers something unique they usually only get in much bigger homes. It's a small house, but there's still a ton to do and a ton has happened.
Yeah.
Everything's been painted inside and out. They put in the cabinets.
Yeah.
They put up a wall in the garage room.
We've had it landscaped, so clean up a little bit outside.
Tub's been repainted.
So let's check out this garage here.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That totally
Turned
into
this
a room.
Yes. This may be the best choice we made in this entire place.
I feel like it was mine.
Was it? No.
Oh.
But you can take it if you'd like. First off, is this gonna be yoga, exercise, playroom?
Media. Let's do a multimedia, like theater room.
You're right. Okay, we've got the plug. So we could do this whole wall as like a screen.
And you know, if we ask Jake and Justin to help hang that screen, we can get
Keep
them
them
here.
busy.
Yeah.
Because then Nana and the boys can decorate for their surprise party.
Exactly.
Great idea.
Yep.
I love it.
There's so much to do, and I'm still a little overwhelmed. So the appliances are going in today. Plus, the hexagon tiles that we're using in the kitchen and the bathroom are being installed today. On the kitchen wall, we're letting the edge of the tiles make a kind of geometric border that gives the kitchen this unique look that young buyers are totally gonna love.
And today I have a fun idea to add some artsy energy to the second bedroom that'll capture the imagination of the young, eclectic buyers we have in mind.
So we're gonna stage this as an office.
Yep, and I got all these, what I would consider Southwest / boho colors.
This is absolutely trending and popular right now, is to do kind of abstract painting. Paint is something that's always fun to play with because it's so easy to change. And each of these little tins, cost?
$4 each.
Yeah.
I think people are gonna really be attracted to it.
It's a little bold for me.
I know.
But this is something that we are seeing a lot of in houses.
Because likely this is gonna be, don't you think, a first-time home buyer?
Oh yeah, I think we're gonna get a younger buyer here, and this is exactly what they're looking for. I mean, I could definitely leave doing all of this like creative paint circles on walls. No circles for me.
She's a square. That's what I heard. So since we created an entire new room in this attached garage, I think this is what's gonna sell this home.
Hands down.
Entertaining space in a small home is almost unheard of. I am so confident that this additional space is gonna blow Marty and Veronica's mind and any potential buyer. Staging it as a theater room is going to give buyers an idea of what to do with it with just a little bit of imagination. Plus, it's gonna make this home stand out on the market.
It's true.
Working from home has become incredibly important. And because we're marketing this home to a single individual or a small family, we opted to stage the second bedroom as a home office rather than a guest room.
Our staging's complete, so now we need to get some online marketing photos to get some buzz for this house. So what I'm thinking is we showed the butcher block, the stainless, the mix match of two different backsplashes,
Yep, I
open
showed that.
shelves,
Yep.
and let's do a story on this so we can maybe get like a flip through
Oh,
reel.
so like a teaser.
Yep.
So hold that so I can get a light fixture with a little bit of the backsplash. That's a good one.
I think with this home, we will absolutely hit on social media even more than we typically do. So let's go to the living and show these custom bookshelves.
Okay.
We'll do more stylistic shots because they're going to be enticed to click on those. What I really want to do here is I want to give that buyer a picture to look at and say, what is this?
So excited.
So excited to show this to
A little
Marty and Veronica.
nervous.
They're not necessarily our buyers.
Not our buyers at all.
Yeah,
for
so
what we designed
this
for.
may not be their style. I'm so excited. Hey guys!
Hey there.
Hi!
Wow. Love the color.
You
I do.
Yay!
So, I mean, outside we didn't have to do a ton because it already was so pretty, but
Yeah.
fresh coat of paint always helps sell a home.
Yeah, it's nice and fresh.
Let's go see
Can't
the
wait
inside.
to see the inside.
Okay,
right,
let's
do it.
go.
Okay, here we go.
Come on in.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. I like the bookshelves on both sides. Kind of just draws you that direction.
I wanted to create a space that I felt like would pull in a younger buyer. My style here was boho with a little bit of Southwest mixed in. So we've got some terracotta colors and then a lot of fresh plants and really keeping it inviting.
Nice job, ladies. Really impressed.
Wow.
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 That is beautiful. Love the,
fact
butcher
that
block.
you got rid of all of that big bad area
Yes.
and moved the
Corner.
refrigerator.
Love the gray.
Oh,
The
good.
tile matches the bathroom.
Yes.
That is spectacular.
We can stand side by side and fit in the same room.
Yes. So we were able to sneak a pantry in here, which will be really popular because again, in this age kitchen, you don't typically see that kind of storage.
This was a real trouble spot, and it looks big.
Yeah.
We were saying, look, we've got a smaller size kitchen, but we're gonna give a lot of features to it. So when a buyer walks in, they say, totally willing to take the smaller kitchen for this.
It's just a really nice kitchen.
Yay.
Awesome. Hi guys.
Hi there.
Hi.
I'm so happy you guys made it.
Yes, we're so excited.
You're about to walk into a really cool house.
Awesome.
we're excited.
I'm excited.
I love the tile on the
Yeah,
back.
I love the tile. That's really cool.
Oh my gosh, I love the decor.
Oh, thank you.
I love this.
That'll do. Gosh, that's gorgeous. This is lovely.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
Is this big enough for you?